Are you trying to figure out how to build a membership site in WordPress? Having a membership site is a very lucrative business model that you can start at home. Getting paid on a monthly basis for some product or service you provide is a great way to achieve financial freedom. In this video, I will show you the steps of how to build a membership site in WordPress. And if you stay to the end, I will show you the #1 WordPress membership plugin for building membership sites. Creating a profitable membership site used to be very expensive to create until WordPress membership plugins were developed. This made it easier for solopreneurs or anyone to build membership sites without having to spend a fortune on software. So what are the tools you need for a membership website? For a membership website, you will need these 4 things: a WordPress website, a membership plugin, a payment gateway, and some valuable content or service that your visitors will pay for. Step 1 is the type of membership site. Let's start by looking at the type of membership site that is suitable for your business. You need to figure out what topic your audience is interested in learning more about and that they are willing to pay for it. Example, if you're a fitness instructor, it might make sense to offer a simple monthly subscription to your live video classes. Or, if you're a public speaker, it might make sense to offer access to live group workshops, vocal training, and a consultation or coaching session. Or, your membership could simply be a video course or premium content on your website that your audience cares about. Every business is different, but you have to start somewhere, so don't get too wrapped up in creating the perfect membership experience on your first attempt. A great membership site will change and evolve based on user feedback. If you're not sure, just go with a simple recurring monthly or annual subscription. Step 2. Creating content for your membership site. So how do you start creating content for your membership site? If you have an existing audience, you will get regular feedback on the things they are interested in. You can send out a survey to your audience to figure out their pain points, and then you can follow up with them on a Facebook Live or Zoom call to discuss topics and the solutions. Several recordings of multiple topics could be repurposed as content for a video course in your membership site. The key is to create content that is fast to produce and meets the needs of your audience. If you're a skilled writer, this could be guides, premium blog posts, and other written content. If you're comfortable on camera, it might be a better idea to shoot a basic video course using your smartphone and a good microphone. If not, audio and slides are a good alternative. Remember, your goal is to think about what type and format of content you can create quickly to get your membership site up and running. Some examples of content types to consider are online courses, blog posts, pages, downloads, ultimate guides, worksheets, printables, videos, ebooks, and interviews. After you create your first course, you can always add more content later based on your customers' feedback. Step 3. WordPress website and membership plugin. The next thing you will need is a WordPress website and a WordPress membership plugin. There are several WordPress themes and builders on the market you can choose from. Astro Theme is a popular choice for entrepreneurs who are creating membership sites. Thrive Themes is another option that has a customizable drag-and-drop theme builder that lets you create conversion-focused WordPress websites. Next thing you would need is a membership plugin. The membership plugin is used to protect your content, and it allows you to sell and control access to your content. There are only a few credible options if you want to build a reliable, scalable, and successful membership site on WordPress. These include MemberMouse, MemberPress, Wishlist Member, and the new and improved Thrive Apprentice that supports both online courses and membership sites. I would recommend Thrive Apprentice since it's an amazing tool that you use to grow our own successful business and website. I find that with the new upgrade, Thrive Apprentice has way more advanced features than the other membership plugins on the market. If you are interested in knowing more about the Thrive Apprentice membership plugin, click the link in the description below this video for more information. Step 4. Configure your payment gateway. A payment gateway is a software tool that allows you to collect money from your membership website. It accepts card payments and passes new customer information along to your website. Below are some of the most payment gateways to choose from: ThriveCart, Sendowl, Stripe, and PayPal. If you are using the Thrive Apprentice plugin, there is an easy native integration with ThriveCart and Sendowl. WooCommerce is another third-party payment option that allows you to accept card payments through Stripe or PayPal, without having to pay additional fees or subscriptions to other services. Now what's next? Now that you have seen the 4 steps for building a membership site, what should you do next? The website hosting your course should be visually appealing with page elements that are conversion-focused so that your prospects are willing to buy from your site. Here's some ideas to consider. You should create a compelling sales page to communicate the benefits of membership. If possible, provide a tour of your members-only content in your blog posts and videos. Spread the word on your social media channels and encourage your followers to share. Offer an introductory discount or bonus to get your first subscribers in return for their honest feedback on how you can improve. Now, if you are interested in building a membership site, I recommend using Thrive Apprentice, since it is a versatile WordPress plugin that gives you advanced features that allow you to customize your membership site. A link to this Thrive Apprentice can be found in the description below this video. That's it for now. See you next time.